Countries from all around the world are represented here at the Cannes Film Festival, like Ireland, Morocco, Romania, and there's also a short film corner rendezvous industry meeting. There are also several buyers and distributors who are present here at the festival. You can also see stalls from China, Iran, and there you can see the poster which talks about censorship. As we've heard, that filmmaker Mohammad Rasuluf will be present here for a press conference which is supposed to take place on the last day of the festival, which is on 25th, and his film is in the competition section. There are also stalls from countries like Mexico, Dominican Republic, and of course there is also a stall from India. Countries like Kazakhstan, Taiwan, Taipei, Brazil, Hong Kong, and many others, more than 130 countries are here at the Marché du Film. This is not just a marketplace where countries set up their stalls, but there are discussions, conversations, and seminars also that take place at the Marché du Film. Documentaries also have a special place at the Cannes Film Festival. There's a space for them called the Cannes Docs. And there are buyers and sellers, distributors from all across the globe that come here, including the famous Shochiku from Japan and many other small and big distributors.
After all, without the business of cinema, there perhaps wouldn't be any cinema at all. And as a result, at the Marché du Film, which is the biggest film market in the world here, which happens at the Cannes Film Festival, there are buyers and sellers from different parts of the world to come and, well, do the business of cinema. As a result, we have stalls from different parts of the world, different countries set up their stalls here, and also there are many studios and small-time distributors who've come from across the world to sell their films and of course to buy and distribute films as well.